Here's yet another General Electric microwave. I think I've filmed something like this similarly back in October at some point. Except that one's in white, this one's in black. I think this is a bit older. Anyways, you see the screen too on the control panel. Yep, it needs some cleaning, but still in good shape. The light bulb still works as well. Here's the information. This is model number JVM3162DJ1BB. As manufactured January 2016. And unfortunately, it's stable in China. Well, great. I squeegee door a bit. Let's see the controls here. It's just basic, like any other microwave or film as well. So I can really on that show that as well. But just watch my previous microwave videos if you want to see how these work. Even though I never test them. Anyways, we're gonna test it. We got nothing in it. Let's see if we can find the time curve on this figure thing. Oh, there we go. Wow, that's a loud fan too. And I forgot to show you the vent fan, the surface light, so I'm gonna do that real quick. Inside, slow, and that's off. Surface light. I think it was like 2 bulbs in there or something, but I don't know. So that's low and then that's off. Anyways, that is it.